Good morning, fellas. The cabin treats us good. It was worth every penny to stay here. We had a great night. It was like sleeping in a sauna. That makes me happy. And a lot of small knots out here. So that's the cabin. That's the woodshed. We had the toilet up there. It was a great place, this. So day 53, I think. And today we have a restaurant. We should eat that for lunch. So that's exciting as well. I think this was Gröveldalen. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think this was Gröveldalen. So it's gonna be a nice one. And this place, again, magnificent. A lot of people here. So they got tents, they got cottage, they have something else to sleep in. So they got places everywhere here. But this was the rental cabbage because we want to get out of the rain, so that's why we rented it and want to dry our stuff. So, but the shoes are still super wet. But the rain, the hail, I don't know. I didn't have the camera because I've walked earlier than the lovely ladies. So, but Anna says maybe they didn't get the hail, but I got hail this big. But I was maybe 45-50 minutes before them. But less talking, more walking. I think it's that way today. So we pick up water there, and then we walk along that ridge, and we have 11 kilometers to lunch, and then we have another 12 kilometers to maybe sleep inside today again. Maybe we sleep in a tent. We have to see. So come along, guys.
And we're off in rain, and it's gonna be rain the whole day. But now we're heading for Gördalen. There's gonna be a cafe there, and so 2.5-3 hours maybe to that cafe. So it's gonna be great. Oh, the cabin was so nice. It was hot, but I still have very wet boots. Dan has very wet boots. So, but it's quite okay to walk in anyway. But it's wet. Now we have signs, and we are heading to, like I said before, Gördalen.
And like I did not.
8 kilometers to that one. But now we are going to rest in Treriksröset. That one.
I think we have to, because both the signs are that way.
Yeah, but look, there's another. More crossing over the stones. A small pit stop for just a coffee break. And now we think we have 1 hour more to the cafe, to the restaurant. And I'm planning in my head, I don't know if it's open, I don't know what they have for menu, but I'm going to eat there.
A lot.
I'm going to eat, and I'm going to put off my boots, and we're going to have a great time.
Yeah. And look at this beautiful place. It's wetland all over. That way we go.
And we are down where the trees are again. So probably 45 minutes left on this route until we get to the restaurant, and I so hope it's open. Cross your fingers for that one. I'm gonna eat so much. Gonna have some rest. Gonna be great. But this is nice. Big difference with the road. Ah, so easy to walk on. We like small stones, not bigger ones. We made it here. Let's eat. Ice cream.
What do you want? No. Look at this feast. I got the pork fillet. My lovely wife Anna, she's got the other fillet. I don't know. What did you take? Not pork?
Beef steak.
Fillet.
Beef
Yeah.
steak.
Yeah. And the lovely German lady, she go for a vegetarian pizza with a side dish of French fries. And a beer, of course. And a beer, of course.
And I have bacon on top of it.
Yeah, and look, we have a great note as well. He said he put some
Fresh
love in.
asparagus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I really
Oh, I
love
ruined it.
asparagus.
I almost ruined my note.
Yeah. And
Because this is
Banana sauce?
Insta.
Food porn.
yeah.
Yes, I do like that.
yeah.
Yeah, I will do like that too.
Yeah, and look at the fellow. He said we can have both French fries and potatoes because he only got one portion of potatoes. We got half.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that makes me happy.
Can I do like that?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are
Leaning in?
leaning in. Yeah.
You have
Do
to
the
lean
leaning.
more. Huh?
Yeah, we do the leaning.
We are the leaning
Leaning
bunch.
again.
Yeah.
Now we have a. Can we call us a tramley?
Yeah, this
Yeah,
must be a
please.
little bit
Yes.
of a tramley. Yeah.
A tramley.
Yeah. We don't need a bigger tramley.
No.
No, that-
Oh.
Yeah.
Just imagine.
Tasty.
It was delicious.
Yeah. I will go for the French fries.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And a piping hot potato with a yellow sauce.
And the steak.
I think he even made the pommes frites himself because it
Yeah.
still has skin on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Those are the
the
best.
steak was delicious.
Nice.
Mm,
Nice.
mm, mm. So look at that.
Yeah.
It's so perfectly cooked.
And a good pizza salad.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a good pizza
Yeah,
salad.
it was amazing.
Delicious. You take those?
Of course.
You have
man.
to try it.
Then we try it, and then I don't have to feel more today. I can only walk the rest of the day.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
I got 2 pieces of meat.
Yeah, I have 2 men.
Oh my
I
god.
have one under all these banana.
But it was like $23 or something.
Yeah.
$22, and I got 2
Affordable.
Yeah.
Affordable food. In a place like this.
Yeah.
You can see. Look at this. It's
In
nothing.
middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
What was the name of this little village?
Gardalen.
Jördalen.
Jördalen.
Yeah.
Jördalens restaurant.
Yeah. So let's eat up.
Yeah.
Less talking, more maka maka.
Ice cream.
Look at that. All less moose horns. And now we're full after that huge dinner and free salad buffet. So we ate a lot, so now we're full up and ready to walk again. And the pizza is down, and everything we have eaten, and it feels so good. And now we have approximately 12 kilometers, I think, to the next cabin as well. So we walked for 12 and we got 12 more left. So super nice.
Ja. Thru-hiking nationalpark.
Yeah. 2 kilometers. So we have been to the Thru-hiking National Park. And here we got some information as well. Nature Reserve Park. And they got bears and birds. Bardalstugan where we have been. Nice.
So that's the cabin. We slept there.
Yeah.
We ate lunch there.
Yeah. And we stayed there tonight. Treriksröset. Nice.
Now we are in the woods and look at the trees. Looks like beard. And this is to measure the snow, I think. And anyone who knows what the normal deep of snow it is up here, please let me know. And here we have signs. We have Gördalen, we come from there. 4 kilometers. It's just 4 kilometers. Oh, yeah, we are on a mountain. We have been walking up here the whole time. But now it's a little more flat. But I'm so curious about the snow levels. How deep can it be? Let me know. For a few hours we were over here on these mountains on the other side, and we have been walked down to the valley, eat all that lunch, and then we were up on this side. So now we are on the other mountain. No, not so much rocks here, not so far anyway. We have to see, maybe coming. We have rainbow today as well.
I'm longing to see the moose or the deer.
Beautiful.
And even a bear, but from a far distance.
Hey, 7:30 and we are home.
Wow.
And this is Treriksröset. 7:30. It was a long, hard day, up and down. But we did good, Catherine. We did good. But the mosquitoes. Yeah, we have to go inside. So this is. Welcome home. A cabin. We have these. We can sit here and eat. Perfect.
Another cozy cabin, and we go for the noodles and water.
This is water from the river.
Yes,
Yeah.
yellow water. And we did all our laundry here, so everything is hanging up to dry. And we put all our gears in here. And out here it's free for sleep. And we got the fire going on. Look at that beautiful fire. Out here it's free for sleep. But the lovely German lady, she invited us to stay in this fancy place. We got beds and everything. Look at this. Beds. We got the kitchen. And even got a Oh, the lights. Why does it close off? Even got this little cabinet. There are some working things here. You can work outside in the forest as well. And we got toilets, an outdoor toilet. The lamp is closing off all the time.
Yeah, maybe it's the battery.
Yeah, so it's horrible. And we did take a shower out here, and it was super nice. So a great day, a long day hike again. How many kilometers did we do today?
23 or 24.
23 or 24, yeah. So 23 or 24 kilometers of hard hiking. And this cabin, I don't think is so many people, because it's hard to get here and it hasn't walked up. And this is Treriksröset, and it's 810 meters over ground. And she have connected some site online, so she can get the key to the indoor part, because that indoor part is just for rent. She paid like 25 euros for that accommodation. And toilet up there, and that's shed, I don't know. And we got, of course, all the wood in here, and every part of these cabins has this woods, this wooden places. So, and this wood is only for the use of the cabin, because they only fill it up once a year. So you got to saw, you got to chop everything yourself. But that's super nice. What a luxurious thing they put out here for us to use. So that's make me so happy. And these cabins I didn't know existed. Oh, can you see the fog? Right there. Because of the heavy rain and everything, it's so foggy there. It's just incredible. Maybe thumbnail Dan. And I got my hoodie on because there's so many mosquitoes, and we have to dry everything up, so it's gonna get nice and dry in there as well. But the cabins, when there is no people, they are a little bit damped, but it's okay. We dry them up with the wood fires as well. So, but a long day again, the third day, almost, what do you say, 24 kilometers. So we had 30 and 24, so that was nice. And again, look at that. Cool. But thank you for coming along on this strange hiking video, because we are 3 people hiking together to get today again. So sometimes we talk so much you forget to record videos, and sometimes I walk so far away, so and the lovely ladies to talk to each other, so then we forget to video as well. But thumb up, make a nice comment, and soon we have done half of Sweden, and that's a great adventure. And if Catherine, who the name of the lovely lady, is ever watching this video, thank you for everything. You're a nice, beautiful person. Bye bye, thumb up, make a nice comments, tell all your friends, hit the bell thingies and everything. Bye bye.